Okay, this is how you install the seat base. Underneath the base, you'll see a hook on both sides. Just release it. It just unhooks. Okay, it's like a little spring here. Then, on the car seat, you'll see there's these gray dots. 1 dot, 2 dots. Underneath these dots, you'll see there's a little metal loop right here, where my finger is. That's where those hooks clip onto. And then these little gray dots have like a little baby seat thing on it. Okay, there's one there. And there's one on this side. This black bar right there. Okay. So, depends if you want to use this liner thing or not. So the first hook, alright, just goes in. See if you can see this. Just clips in so it's tight. Then on the other side, you do the same thing. Take this hook in the gray spot. It just clicks in. So now the seat's in. Loosey-goosey. So you just take the belt, the loose end of the belt, and just pull it as tight as you can. And then what I do is, like put weight on it, like my knee on it. That way I can take up any slack. Or right now I'm actually sitting on it. So now it's super tight. Then you just put the belt down, flip this little red guy down, and lock it in. That's it. I'm done. Baby seats secure. Good night.